Have you ever wondered why some metal parts just work, while others quietly fail before they even hit the shop floor? The answer isn't always in the foundry. It's in the drawing office, inside your CAD model. Modern forging and casting failures almost always begin long before molten metal touches a mold or a die. It's the twists of geometry, the thickness of a wall, that innocent-looking fillet or draft angle. These fine details quietly set the destiny of every part you design, and that's where this training comes in. Forging and casting through intelligent 2D and 3D design for zero-defect manufacturing, which is your chance to take control right where it matters most, the design stage. You'll learn how to create metal-ready designs that support uniform filling, stable solidification, clean die release, and reliable tooling. No more trial and error. No more guessing whether your CAD will survive the real world. Here's what's in it for you. Firstly, master the art of CAD that survives the heat and pressure of forging and casting. Next, stop designing scrap. Eliminate those hidden defect zones before they cost you time and money. Also, how to make tooling a breeze by making the right geometry decisions in CAD. Not only that, create 2D drawings that foundries respect, clear, production-ready, and trusted on the shop floor. And perhaps most importantly, lock in your manufacturing costs and yields before metal ever flows. This training isn't just for CAD engineers. It's for anyone serious about quality forging and casting engineers, tooling designers, shop managers, quality leads, even automotive, aerospace, and industrial suppliers. By the end of Part 1, you'll create drawings and models that are truly forging and casting ready. Fewer defects, lower tooling costs, higher yield. If you're ready to stop designing in the dark and start shaping your success, register for forging and casting through intelligent 2D and 3D design for Zero-Defect Manufacturing Training Part 1. Check out Part 2 as well, and let's turn your next design into your best one yet. Ready to start? To register, click the link in the description or visit OnlyTRAININGS.com. And one more thing, if you're looking to truly strengthen your expertise, do explore the 24/7 OnlyTRAININGS Academy, where you'll find hundreds of expert-led training courses designed by industry specialists and trusted by working professionals worldwide.